Hey guys, I'm Jen from the Teens Department in the library, and today we're going to be making Pokemon Charms. And what you'll need for this activity are some beads, some lollipop sticks, some markers, some metallic wire, some pliers, some paintbrushes, or instead of the metallic wire, you can use string of your choice. And you can get all of these at Hobby Lobby or Walmart, whichever you prefer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out these white beads that I went ahead and painted the night before because it just saves time and makes it easier. I'm going to go ahead and pull one out. And what you'll do is you'll just use a black marker and you'll draw a line through the middle to make sure it's in the center, and then you'll add some color of whatever choice. I used red for mine, and I can go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this is an example of what I did earlier, you can see. And so you'll just go ahead, let me pull this back up again. So you'll just go ahead and color the top part, whatever color of your choice. Again, I used red and white because that's the basic color of a Pokeball, and I just wanted to choose that for mine. But you can color it whatever design you want. It's totally up to you. And then after you color the top part, you'll want to use some paint, and with a paintbrush, just dab a little small dot in the middle. That way it can look more complete, like a Pokeball. And you can put it through this metallic wire, or you can put it through any one of these strings. It's totally up to you. I would prefer a metallic wire because it's just easier for the bead to go through. And then once you get the bead through this wire, you're going to take these two top halves here, and what you'll do is you're going to twist it around, and then once you get those overlapped, then you're going to press down on both sides, just like this. And since I only have one bead, it's a little harder to demonstrate unless I had multiple beads, because with multiple beads you can cover the whole wire, and then with these top halves they're able to go through the beads easier, which makes it more secure, so you can secure it in place better. But yeah, that's just a basic example of how to make a Pokemon charm. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye!